Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add HTML code in WordPress. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in WordPress, I need you to click the Get Started option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding HTML code to a WordPress site can be done in several ways depending on where you want the HTML to appear. Okay, so for example, if you plan to have a custom layout that may not be achievable with the standard WordPress editor, you can control the structure, positioning, and styling of content to better fit your design vision, especially if you need more complex formatting such as tables, embedded forms, or specialized lists. HTML can provide the necessary tool. So here, I want you to go to the HTML form that you want to copy and paste on your WordPress website. Now, in my case, I'm going to Blogger. We have so many Blogger tutorials that you might want to check on our YouTube channel. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go to the Customize option here and go to Edit HTML. I'm going to copy something here, maybe around the first ones. Copy that, and I'm switching over to the WordPress to paste it. Now, I need you to go to the home page of your WordPress dashboard, and I want you to click on the pages. If you have one page here or working on multiple pages, just click on all pages to see where you're at. Now, basically, I've created something here, and I'm going to click on that. So click on the ellipsis button. You can basically click on the view page or edit. What will happen is you would be forwarded here to another page. Once you've done that, I need you to click on the plus button here and type in HTML. And click on Custom HTML. Now, you see there's going to be an option that says Write HTML, all right? Don't worry, because all you're going to do is... And then after that, just click on Preview to make sure that you have pasted the correct HTML code. So voila, here it is. All right. And once you're happy with that, all you're going to do is click on Save. And by doing so, you added a custom HTML. HTML allows you to have a manual inclusions of the meta tags, structured data, or other SEO related elements. Okay, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.